Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to show you one of the coolest features in CloneVoice AI, the voice changer. It lets you upload or record up to 10 minutes of audio and instantly transform your voice into tons of different styles. You can choose design voices like an angry pirate, a news reporter, a British narrator, or even switch between male and female tones. What's great is that your timing and language stay exactly the same. The tool only changes the voice's personality, pitch, and style. Just upload your clip, pick the target voice, hit Start Voice Change, and your new audio appears in your My Audios tab. Let's get started.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the voice changer feature. Now, the voice changer feature is located in one of the tabs. And what it does is it allows you to either record with a microphone or upload a file, which is an audio file, and then change that voice to sound like a target voice. This could be one of the designed voices or the custom voices or the clone voices or the system voices. So for example, I can upload my own voice, which is this one right here, my own voice, me speaking English, for example. And then this audio, this entire audio, okay? So let me play this right now. This entire audio is just incredible. The pace of AI right now is mind-blowing. Things that were pure science fiction just a year or two ago are now tools we can all use. It's a brand new age for creativity, and we are right at the very beginning. I seriously cannot wait to see what we all... Right. Now, let's say this entire audio has a specific time, right? Let's say 20 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 minute, whatever, right? You get up to 10 minutes this way. So let's say, and then you want it to sound differently. So let's say I want to make myself sound like an angry pirate. So I can go into the designed voices and I can do angry pirate, or even one from the public library, like the vampire aristocrat or whatever I liked, right? So I can choose whatever. Let's say I want to make myself into a news reporter voice or British voice or whatever, but angry pirate, let's say, okay? So now it'll be me with my voice sort of, but sounding like an angry pirate for this audio that I've uploaded, the entire audio. Okay, it's just changing the voice. So whatever length this audio is, we have about 10 minutes per audio limit. So up to that 10 minutes or whatever it is, that 10-minute audio will be changed. But the key thing here is it's gonna be the exact same length of the audio. Okay, let me repeat that again. Let's assume you uploaded a 5-minute 20 seconds, okay? 5-minute 20 seconds audio file, right? With the voice, and you would change the voice into angry pirate voice, or let's say some other voice, let's say broadcaster voice, doesn't matter, right? Any one of the voices, system voices as well. Now, the generated voice will sound like that uploaded voice, right? And with that different, let's say, tonality, accent, pitch, whatever. Even female, like you could turn a male voice into female voice or female voice into male voice and vice versa. Now, because of the fact that it never increases the actual, if you will, the clip length, like the audio length is extraordinarily powerful in terms of, for example, in case where you want to dub or something. Let's say, for example, you have a video you already created and you want to dub it with a different voice, but keep the exact same length. So syncing wise, it's not that difficult and makes your life easier. It is also very useful in cases where, for example, you're creating an audiobook or something, but one of the chapters of that audiobook, you want to slightly change that voice for a short period of time, or you want to add an intro or an outro, but you're not getting the right kind of approach there. So you just do that one thing where you record that little bit of voice or whatever and change it for that 10 seconds or whatever and map it out to the entire timeline, right? So that's the key benefit of it. The timeline concept is the key benefit you're getting with this. So now I can say Paul the angry pirate, right? Voice. And then that's it. Start voice change. You hit the start voice change and then you're good to go. That's it. Nothing really complicated here. Very straightforward. So again, just to summarize, the voice changer will allow you to upload an audio file, which let's say it's 5 minutes, 7 minutes, whatever, up to 10 minutes long. And then that uploaded audio will be the same, except the target voice, meaning the angry pirate or whatever you decide to do, news reporter or a teenager or whatever, it's going to change it to that tonality, the target's voice's tonality. Okay, everything else stays the same, meaning in terms of the length of the clip will be the same. In terms of, let's say, for example, the language will be the same. So let's say, for example, you upload a Spanish voice, or you uploaded like a Hindi voice, you uploaded an Italian voice or German voice, doesn't matter. The language also stays the same, but what will change is you'll take the target voice's tonality, pitch, pacing, some of those things that are very common from that target voice you're going to keep while sounding similar like you. So for example, that way you can make yourself sound like a robot if you want. You make yourself sound like a pirate if you want. Make yourself sound like a fairy, princess, whatever. It doesn't matter. Okay, it's up to you. And that's the beauty of it. Okay, once you're done, you just click on the start voice change, and it'll create that, and it'll be appearing in your My Audio tab, and you're good to go. So that's all it is for you to do to change the voice using the voice changer tool.